Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, let's go ahead and see if Bank Nifty is really ready to reverse. This is weekly chart, spot chart Bank Nifty, and you can see here previously Bank Nifty has reversed from this level. We have seen a big fall and price is currently trading somewhere near there. So 32,000 to 32,600 will be a very difficult point for the bulls. Until unless we see a close above 32,650, I don't see a good movement on the upside. So 32,000 to 32,600 will be a tough level. Now let's go ahead and see daily chart. Daily chart looks very interesting. Let me remove these drawings first. Now guys, if you observe from past 3 days, we have been seeing bearish candles, right? So on 7 January it was a gap up and then it has formed a bearish candle. 8 January also it was the same, it was a gap up and it had formed a bearish candle, and today also we have seen a good bearish candle. So in case we see any movement below this low, let me mark the low first. Any movement below this low, that is 31,836, you can take it as 31,830, we can see prices dropping back to 31,000. This will be the max level what I'll see, 31,041. In case it starts trading below 31,836, yes, we can see a big fall of 700-800 points on the downside. It may not happen in a day, it may take 2-3 days, or maybe it can also happen in a day also, because Bank Nifty can run 700-800 points very easily in a day. And any break above this high, from where we have been seeing huge sellers sitting here who have been pushing prices down, any break about 22,300 in the spot, we can see prices moving up. So this entire level we got to wait and watch. And any break below 31,041, you can take 50 moving average. This is a 50 moving average. You can see where 50 moving average would be the time it breaks 31,041, and you can take this as a support, right? Okay, this is the spot chart. Now let's go ahead and see how we can plan our trades for tomorrow in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I have maintained the same levels. I have not changed anything. As I had said you yesterday, all this R1, S1 and S2, the same zones I am going to continue, and regarding these zones I'll be updating these zones with whatever price I have created in the description box. You can check it out. Okay, for tomorrow let me tell you, the first beautiful thing is price has closed near S1 and price is still below 50 moving average. Price is still below 50 moving average and price has closed near S1. In case we see a break above this 50 moving average and this trend line, we see any close above this, there are good chances prices will run till R1. It will enter R1 zone, and above the close of 32,337, you take it as 32,340, I'll be seeing for 32,436 and 34,520. These are levels on the upside. But let me tell you one more thing, I just missed it out. Today's high is also going to play a very crucial role, that is near 32,480. 32,480 also can be a strong resistance, because we have seen price gapping up here today, and from this point there has been a continuous fall for almost around 1.5 hours, right? So this point, today's high, will be a critical point. And on the downside, in case price reverses, closes below S1, we can see today's low, and below today's low we can see prices entering S2, right? Let me mark the today's low as well. This today's low, that is somewhere around 31,888. This is the future charts what I'm talking about. And below S2, we can see here we have S3. The good chances below S2 we can see prices moving to S3 as well. So this is what I am seeing for Bank Nifty tomorrow. Bank Nifty, probably in next 1 or 2 days we can have some big momentum also, right? Now let's go to Nifty and see what has happened. Though Bank Nifty has been making bearish candles and Nifty has continuously making bullish candles, Nifty is making all-time highs. Now for tomorrow, this level is going to be very important, this R1 what I have marked here. I have mentioned all these zones in the description box. You can draw these zones in your system and you can check it out tomorrow how beautifully price respects this zone, right? So in case price, before that let me tell you about this trend line what I have drawn. Guys, you can watch out here from 7 Jan what the last candle on 15 minutes chart. This is a Nifty future chart. I have drawn a trend line. You can see prices have been holding this level and bouncing up. Today also it has held this level and bounced up, right? So there are good chances that prices may continue holding this trend line and move up. So any close above 14,500 tomorrow, we can see 14,540, 14,580 and 14,620. This is on the upside what I am talking about. And in case tomorrow price reverses from this R1 or price gaps down and closes below this trend line like this, then we can probably see 14,454. Then prices can enter S1 to cover up this gap whatever it is pending. You can see the gap here. This is a gap what market has left. There are good chances prices can come cover this gap. Below this I have mentioned the zones as well and levels 14,332 and 14,283, right? This is what I am going to maintain for tomorrow. A simple plan, as I have said you already, I have been telling you always don't complicate your plans. Keep it very simple. Try to trail your stops with 20-25 points in Nifty and Bank Nifty 50 to 100 points so that you don't lose the potential profits what you earned. And try to trade with proper risk reward ratio and always keep stop loss in your system, not in your mind, because if in case the prices goes against you, if there is a quick moment against your trade, then you're going to lose huge. So make sure you keep stop loss in your system and trade. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow again. This is a simple plan, go check it out and you can check out tomorrow Bank Nifty how it's going to respect 50 moving average again on 15 minutes chart. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe the channel guys, and if you enjoyed watching this small video, if it is benefiting you in either of the ways, please give a like and please share this video with your friends so that more people will be benefited by this. And regarding the free training program, I have already updated the link in the description box. You can check it out, and I have already also uploaded the syllabus in the Telegram group and the link is also in the description box. Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow again. Have a good night.